with both sides holding large quantities of ground vehicles, especially Russia. Anti-tank mines have been a key weapon system to stop an attack or slow down your enemy, with the far most common being the TM62 version of anti-tank mines. While this can be produced in different versions, it was the primary anti-armor mine of the Soviet Union, with a total weight of just under 10 kilograms or around 20 pounds, with 7.5 kilograms of explosive material or just over 15 pounds. A single mine has a lot of explosive power, with both sides using these in mass. Many have been destroyed before it's placed down on the ground, with even dozens or even hundreds of mines being destroyed in one swoop. Combining the explosive power from a small aerial bomb to even be bigger than the larger ones. With drones being one of the more common ways to destroy these piles, as it doesn't take much to start the chain reaction. But the hit area is fairly small, making either a FPV drone or a smaller bomber drone dropping down grenades to be the perfect weapon system for the mission. With the explosions being able to create visible shockwaves, leaving a crater in different sizes, making even a drone dozens of meters up in the air over the pile to be in danger. While it's a small cost for destroying so many mines, with Russia usually just sending more resources before questioning the need or usage, hoping resources alone will solve the problem, resulting often in huge piles. Some even beside the road, laying out in the open without any visual cover, with Russia sometimes even making the mistakes of storing these piles of anti-tank mines with other resources or even equipment, making more to be lost with minimal effort, with Ukraine using anti-tank mines in multiple different ways, having troops to use them to clear trenches or building, more heavy rotor drones dropping down mines both as mines or as grenades, but also used on unmanned ground vehicles, making it a kamikaze ground drone, being able to take out smaller bridges or trenches, with Russia having even more mines in their inventory. Ukraine's drone army has worked hard reducing these before they can be used, destroying one pile of anti-tank mines at a time, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.